How to share your screen in Google Meet meetings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, join Google Meet meeting. Then you'll find arrow-like option at the bottom, which is share screen option. Click on it. Then you will find three options: Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. If you want to share entire screen, click on entire screen and then click on share at the bottom. Or if you want only one window of Chrome, click on window and then select the tab and then press on share at the bottom. After that, your screen will be shared on Google Meet meeting. To stop, you can simply click on stop sharing at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to share your screen in a Google Meet meeting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.